Oh, I went to the store to see what I could score as a present for your big day. But when I strolled down the aisle, the products they compiled weren't good enough for me to take. Thought to buy you a necklace at that cost would be reckless, although it really did glimmer. Couldn't return it to the shelf, so I bought it for myself because of me it would look better. I thought about the fumes and aroma in the room, but decided that it might not go well. Because you might think I'm saying by my gift that I'm portraying that I think you might kind of smell. So you see, it wasn't me. Once he gave you something you would understand, despite my plans, none of these presents were worthy of you. So I settled up the chocolate sweet candy-filled boxes, but alas, I changed my mind. Because after you eat it, you might regret it with extra calories on your behind. How about some flowers? They look pretty for some hours. You can show them in a vase. But after a few days, they would wither away. You have dead flowers in their face. Don't forget what they say. It's really the thought that counts. I looked around and thought of you. Would have paid any amount. Anyways, it's your day. You're at the tip top of my list. I wish you all the best, many more and the rest, but all you're gonna get is this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey, you, I know I'm in the wrong. Time flies when you're having fun. You wake up, another year is gone. You're 21. I guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone. It's been a day or so. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. So hard when you're far away. It's lame, but I forgot the date. I won't make the same mistake. I'm so to blame. So now you know. Don't hang up the phone. I wish I was at home. I know it's way too late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. It's not that I don't care. You know I'll make it up to you. If I could, I'd be there. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, whoa. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, whoa.
para sa aming bossing na si Dr. Romeo Infantado, maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Naway sa araw pong ito ay mawala, kahit man po sa araw pong ito, mawala po ang stress nyo. Stay pogi, macho, macho, peace. Naway lahat po ng mga plano nyo sa buhay, mapagobyerno naman po o pagsaserve sa tao sa inyong love life, buhay pamilya, naway magtagumpay po kayo, manatili po kayong magtagumpay. Naway gabayan po kayo ng Diyos sa pang-araw-araw niyong gawain. Muli, happy birthday po. God bless.
Bukal, hello po, happy birthday. Salamat po Bukal at nandito pa rin kami sa butika. Alam po namin na, alam ko at alam namin lahat na kaya kami andito ay dahil sa inyo. Pero Bukal, tapos ng kontrata namin ha. Kailangan ma-renew ulit kami. Alam ko na mabait ka. Happy birthday Bukal.
Good morning, Bukal. Happy birthday po. Sana masaya kayo sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtulong sa amin upang hindi ko na
Hi Bukal, happy birthday. Sana maging maligaya ka sa iyo pang darating na buhay. More power and God bless. Bukal, happy birthday! Mahabang happy birthday ulit. Sana marami pang sapitin kang birthday at God bless you always.
Hi, Doc! Happy birthday! Ang gwapo-gwapo niyo talaga. Doc! Sana... ano yan? Doc, ang wish ko po sa inyo, sana marami pa pong birthday ang marating ninyo. Kahit ganyan pa rin kay Kedet, ang gwapo niyo pa rin. Doc, lumaban lang kayo ng bioscope. Ayos na sa akin eh. Pangangampanya kita hanggang sa dulo-dulo ng Mindoro. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ako ang campaign manager. Doc, happy birthday talaga sa inyo. Kung wala kayo, wala din po kami dito. Nasa inyo po ang nasalanin na aming sa aming trabaho. Salamat, Doc.
Bukal, magandang hapon po. Happy birthday po uli at sana ay umababa pagsasamahan natin at tayo yung makapag-inom sa birthday mo. Yun lang po. At ng buong suporta naman ng staff nyo ay bibigyan naman po namin sa inyo ng buo. Happy birthday po uli at sana po ay marami pa tayong birthday na pagsamahan.
Hi Doc, happy birthday! Wish ko para sa'yo ay good health. Sa love life, sana laging masaya. Aray. Tsaka thank you kasi alam ko naman na ginagawa niya ang lahat para magstay kami dito sa butika. Thank you po, happy birthday. Ingat po palagi. Love you!
Happy birthday Bukal! Sana po magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming taon na birthday. Umabot kayo sa 500 taon. Salamat po sa pagdating niyo sa amin. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.
Bukal, happy birthday po. God bless. Thank you very much po sa lahat-lahat.
Bukal, happy birthday. Sana po may inuman sa birthday nyo. Wish ko lang more birthdays to come and good health. Salamat po.
Bukal, happy birthday po. Sana po at hiling ko po sa Panginoong May Kapal na sana kayo po ay bigyan pa ng malusog at malakas na pangatawan. Sana marami pa tayong birthday na pagsamahan at sana po kung ano man po ang plano nyo sa susunod ay asahan nyo po ang aming suporta. Handa po kami tumulong sa inyo. Maraming salamat po at happy birthday po muli. Thank you po. Stop na.